How to have a personality that is pleasing to the majority. So, when I talk about having a personality that is pleasing to the majority of people, or when people, kind of like you, or for you to be attractive to people, the first thing I always tell people is that you should have good hygiene. Because for a person to connect with you, talk to you, even to get to know your personality, you should be presentable. You should have good hygiene, at least the first time that you talk to them. See, I am also guilty as charged because most of the times I wear shorts because it makes me very comfortable. But at the same time, I ensure that I'm at least presentable. So I'm not asking you to sacrifice your comfort. I'm not asking you that you always have to wear formals, whether you like it or not. I'm asking you to be presentable, maintain good hygiene, groom yourself well, and be approachable to people. So, when I say approachable, I also stress upon having an open attitude and having a nice smile. People should feel like that they can come and talk to you. So that is the first thing that you need to do to be able to please a majority of people. And a lot of people write to me saying that I always try to please people, but people don't respond to me. So you should definitely try to please people, but you shouldn't make it your main goal. You should be able to balance, because if you're trying to become a people pleaser, without us knowing, we automatically tend to become, either we tend to become pylons, or we tend to make people exploit us, because not everyone may be good. Some may be good, some may not be good. Now, the next thing that you need to have is that good manners. You should be polite. You should respect people. You should be able to talk to them with a neutral tone. You should not appear to be arrogant. You should not appear to have a bad attitude or a negative attitude. The main personality trait that pleases a majority of people is when you know what is right and what is wrong, is when you know what is good and what is bad, is when they see you follow what is good, when they see you leading by an example rather than just preaching about it. We always say you should preach what you practice, but I would say practice what you love. It is much more effective than preaching, because people will see you in action, and when people see you in action, they will automatically start loving your personality. They will have a very good impression about your character. They will feel that you have good values, good morale in life, and it will also show how well your parents have brought you up, how well they have taught you the important values of life. One main thing about your personality that people observe is how well you treat other people. I have stressed upon this fact a lot of times. So, one main thing that you need to understand when you want to develop a personality that is loved by a majority of people is you should ensure you never discriminate people. And like I've always been stressing upon the aspect of humanism, you should not discriminate people on their social status, their financial ability, their caste, creed, religion, even sex. Today, gender equality is something which is much talked upon. So, when you do not discriminate, is when people will fall in love, and that is when people say that this person has a magnetic personality. I feel very attracted to him. And you should always know what is good for society. You should always lead by an example by doing good, which is good for society, which is correct, which is nothing against the law, which is not anti-political, anti-national. So these are some of the values that you need to showcase, and that becomes your behavior, because of which you will please a majority of people.